now already we dismantled the side seat, side panel. Now we have to open the fuel tank. So first we have to start the fuel line, then start the fuel tank. Now we have to the fuel tank. We already remove the fuel tank from the bike. Side panels are open, seats are open. So this is the heart of the bike. This is the 220cc, powered by 220cc. Overhead cam, quick spark. This bike has two spark plugs. One is here and one is here. So this is powered by Nikoni butterfly type carburetor 30 to 20. This is the oil cooler. Basically, oil cooler are given to maintain the viscosity of fuel. Fuel means here we are saying about the engine oil. This is the fuel engine oil line, and this is the oil cooler and back to the engine. This is the air filter box. This is the HT coil. Jump up the current from 12 volt to 12,000 volt, and this output voltage is given to the spark plug. This is another HT coil. This is the heart of the vehicle. This is called CDI, capacitor distance diffusion system. So now we have to check the spark plug. Let's open the spark plug. So we are putting it in the spark plug hole. Remove the spark. This is the spark plug of the vehicle. See, the spark plug tip is white, means the bike engine is okay. It's run on perfect mixture of fuel. The air fuel mixture is okay. The engine condition is very good. So this is, see, the brownish white is the color. This color definitely shows the good engine and give a good average. This is the main plug of this engine, because Bajaj is a fuel spark, so there is two spark plug. So already we have opened the primary one. Now we are see this also as clean as possible. Brownish white shows the it's run on perfect mixture, and we have to check the both the gap of spark plug. We have two spark plug, both are white, means the engine heart is okay. Now we have to check the gap of this spark plug. This is basically a feeder gate. Check the gap of the spark plug. Now we are checking the feeder gate. This one is okay. Now this one. Yes, both are okay. We are 0.85 mm. This is the feeder gate. Now we have checked the valve timing, because this is a 4-stroke engine. This suction, compression, power, exhaust. Its total completing 720 degree turn of crankshaft. So we have to check the valve clearance, because it is a 4-stroke engine. There is a inlet valve and a exhaust valve. Inlet valve sucks the air, and exhaust valve take out the burn gas from the engine. So we open the valve cap. These are the valve cap we already opened, and see, this is the valve rocker arm. This is we call tapping. So we have to adjust the tapping. So how we can adjust? We remove a spark plug. There is a glass. We can check the timing from here. So we open and round the crankshaft. here. This is the inlet valve. Inlet rocker arm. It's pushing means the valve is open. We are yes. Now suction, compression, power, and other. In this side the exhaust valve is there. This is now the exhaust. This is exhaust valve open, end of stroke, and it's closed. And this is the timing part. This is the filler gauge. We have to check the gap between spark plug, between the valve and rocker arm. It's clear, it's okay. It's vibrating, and now we're checking in exhaust part. It's also okay. Means the valve condition are okay. Both the timing sets are okay. Again we have to assemble it and start the engine. After start the engine we have to check the air filter, which is here. Basically the work of air filter is suck the dirt air, clean it and deliver to the engine. So basically look at this sponge air filter. It's dirt inside here. It's everywhere dirt. Means that it's clean the dirt air, cleaned it and deliver it. And darts are stick into this particular area. So we have to clean it and again lubricate it because it's a semi-dry type filter. So we have to clean and lubricate it. Now see the difference. Now it's clean. We lubricate it properly. Lubricate by engine oil because it's a semi-dry type. Check the filter process. Oil is everywhere. Now this is air filter ready for our next 1000 km. See here, we already fitted the spark plug in this side and other side. Both the plug, tappet cover, already we tightened, added some anabond for stop leaking of lubrication oil. We already feed the corks of the timing gap. Air filter box already been closed. HT coil, all the electric lines are checked, it's okay. Now we can assemble the vehicle. We already feed the fuel tank. Now this is the fuel float connection system for showing the quantity of fuel in your tank. We added it. Now we have to connect the fuel tank. Fuel line is connected. Now supply of fuel is start. Now time to start the vehicle. The vehicle is started.